What's going on, guys? I'm 𝗍𝗶𝘀𝗄𝑚, automated marketing specialist, creator of Cosmosys AI automated marketing software. And in this video, I'm going to show you how a lot of people have issues where they have contacts that are still inside of automated workflows, automated follow-up workflows and stuff like that. And then they start contacting those people directly, and then they still get sent out the automations, and that's kind of weird for the prospect, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a little bitty, it's simple, create a little small custom field with an automation attached to it that's going to snatch everybody out of those automated workflows as soon as you want them to, basically, right? But before I get into that, make sure you like and subscribe and follow me and check out my description and check out my other YouTube pages and stuff like that, my other YouTube channels, I should say. And also check me out on Facebook, guys. I got a lot of information out here for the GHL based software. Mine is Cosmosys, but this literally works if you have any GHL based software, REI Reply, any of those things like that, right? So without further ado, let's get into it. So the very first thing that you're going to want to do is head down to settings, then head over to custom fields. You're going to add a field, and we're going to say checkbox. And we're going to name this remove from all workflows. And just add it to the contact. Yes. All right, boom. Now we saved that. Now, one thing I want to do real quick is we're going to take it and we're going to add it to the contact field. Then we're going to go over to the contact field, go inside of the contact field, and we're going to want to add that to the very top so it's easy to find. Now, second step is go over to automations. Just going to create a basic workflow. We're going to start from scratch. We're going to say remove from all workflows. And also on top of this, guys, you can add contacts to this manually also if you're doing it in bulk. So the action is going to be, the trigger is going to be contact change, add filter. We're going to find our newly created custom field. We're going to say operator is added, and boom, yes is selected. So we're actually going to name that all workflows checked. All right, we're going to save it because we don't want to lose our progress. Always save after you do an action inside of these workflows. I've built out long ass workflows, and then I forgot to hit save and I lost everything. So anyway, the action that we're going to do is clearly also remove from all workflows, including the current workflow. So boom, we're going to publish that and save it. And just like that, you're ready to rock and roll. So now inside of your CRM, I don't have any contacts. Let me create one real quick. Doesn't matter. So now inside of your CRM, that's going to be at the very top right there. So all you have to do is check that box and hit save. Some of you guys probably have the auto save feature turned on, and then it will take whatever contact that was out of all workflows. Boom, just like that. So anyway, guys, remember, like, subscribe, follow, all of those good things on all of my social medias. You can find me 𝗍𝗶𝘀𝗄𝑚 or the 𝗍𝗵𝘆𝗆 or Cosmosys AI. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope that helps.